Hi, I'm Dr. David Momnie of Chicopee Eyecare in Chicopee, Massachusetts. I'm standing in front of our office building, and I'd like to give you a tour of the building and introduce you to our staff. My late father practiced optometry in Chicopee from 1950 until 1967, and I resumed the practice in 1974. My optometry partner, Dr. Camille Guzek Latka, we call her Dr. Latka in the office, joined me in 1990, and we have two part-time optometrists, Dr. Julianne Rapolis, who has a practice in Agawam, and Dr. Katarzyna Babinski, who practices in Ludlow. Dr. Babinski speaks fluent Polish. I'd like to walk around to the back entrance of the building, and as I do, I want to tell you about our newest associate, Dr. Brett Burns. Dr. Burns is a graduate of the University of Connecticut. He received his doctorate from the New England College of Optometry in May 2019. Okay, we've entered the office building. Good morning. Here's Amy right here. And here is Marie and Dr. Burns. Good morning, Dr. Burns. And Esther, soon to be Dr. Esther Lee, and Dr. Camille Guzek Latka right there. Good morning, staff. Good morning. We are expecting patients in a few minutes. One of our employees, Ivona, is not working today. Ivona speaks fluent Polish. Dr. Latka and I were featured in Healthcare News. I was interviewed on children's vision, and she was interviewed on diabetes. So let's take a look at the waiting room right here. Here's an old collection of glasses that my father put together, if I can get rid of those reflections, in some of them go back to pre-Civil War era. Walk right by the bathroom, and I'm going to skip our contact lens training room. And here is room 1 of our examination room. We have 4 rooms, and we use computerized eye charts, so no more memorizing letters. They're randomly selected. And we'll go next to our second room here down the hallway. I call this the Flamingo Room. I was obviously not involved in the color selection, and the rooms are virtually identical. It makes it easier for us to move from one room to the next without really having to think of what room we're in. Here's room 3. Here is a 3-second look at room 4. I'm going to head over to the optical department. This is our pre-testing area right here. We do take some measurements before we see the patient. The technicians perform certain tests. And here is our optical. Our optician is Bill Labani, and our other optician is Nancy Schweenard. Here's Bill doing an order right there. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Doc.
And here's where Bill processes the eyeglass orders. And this room contains an instrument called Optical Coherence Tomography, or OCT. This instrument has revolutionized the diagnosis and treatment of glaucoma and macular degeneration. And here is our visual field tester used to test peripheral vision. And we're setting it up for a patient in a few minutes. There's one of our billing coordinators, Lynn. Good morning, Lynn. Lisa, one of our technicians, and Liz, our office manager. And Sheila is over in the corner right there.
Sheila, look out. I hope you find this video has been helpful to you. For more information about our practice, please feel free to email us info@chicopeeeyecare.com, or you can call the office or visit our website as well as our Facebook page. Thank you.